What does it sound like?
I don't know.
You don't know what that sounds like?
I'm gonna open it and see what.
You shake it even harder and find out.
I had to restart.
Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? What is it?
A new girl, a new horse, another one of them.
A new horse. Do you know what that is? That's a baby horse. You don't have any baby horses? I thought that wheelbarrow was full of poop. It's not. It's full of bows and ribbons. Put him in the best Legos ever. Check it
A
out.
new girl.
And a new girl. And carrots to feed her. And water buckets to fill. Roll up with brushes and combs and a tree with apples on it. Is that super cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a little more obsessed.
All right, say thank you, Lala. Thank you, James. Stop and say thank you. Stop and say thank you. I'm not going to make anything else. Wiggly, it's just a video. They're not watching. Okay, thank you.